Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and today I wanted to unbox the Erin Condren 2020 Winter Seasonal Surprise Box with you, but I thought I'd do it a little bit different so that I could move it along a little bit quicker. So my box arrived very beat up, but inside everything was great, which is what matters. But it is a reversible box, and inside it does say "Believe in good things to come," and it's sort of a bluish gray. So the first thing we have is an interchangeable cover that's metallic, and it says "Believe," and it's navy blue and gold and silver, which is really, really pretty. The next item, which is actually pretty exciting, is an acrylic planner stand. So you can stand your life planner on it. It's two pieces. It comes apart like that, and it's acrylic, and you can hold your planner, your life planner on it. And the life planner did not come in the seasonal surprise box. This is my life planner, but you can see how that sort of works. So the acrylic planner is really nice because you can put your iPad on it, you can put a cookbook on it, you can use it on your desk or on the countertop. Another item in this box was this 3-piece gel pen set with metallic blue, metallic silver, and metallic gold. And these are also very pretty. Another thing is the Let's Get It Done Goal Setting sticker book. And this has functional stickers in it on a paper type sticker. So it's really easy to write on and really pretty stickers. You also get this metallic, rose gold metallic asterisk bookmark, which is perfect for marking your spot in your planner or for a book. There's a set of 2 washi tape rolls, and the blue really matches the interchangeable cover that came in the pack, and there is also the mid-century circles in gold. And finally, and this is my favorite item, there is a box set of mini petite planners. So this is new. Petite planners are generally a little bit bigger than this, and these are kind of small, more along the lines of an A6 size. I'm not sure if they're exactly A6, but the regular petite planners are around an A5 size, not exactly. So these are little, and each one in this box set, they come in this really great cardboard box with a metallic magnetic closure, and it can be used for greeting cards and things later. But it has the green one has just blank green paper. The pink one is lined paper, and so this is my favorite because easy to slip into a bag and take notes. This blue one is the productivity layout. So it has sort of a checklist and a heading. And the plum colored one is a list layout. So you have checkbox columns. So 4 awesome little petite planners, mini petite planners, which is my favorite thing in this box. So to recap real quickly, there is the acrylic planner stand, which it says it's exclusive to the box, but I believe it's on the website today. So I will link to it in the comments below so you can find it there. But the acrylic planner stand is exclusive for $24. The mini petite planner set is a sneak peek, which means it should be available on the website soon, and that is $24. The metallic interchangeable cover is exclusive, and that's $13. The mini sticker book is exclusive, and that is $8.50. The gel pen trio is $6.50, and that's a sneak peek. The washi tape duo is an exclusive, and that's $5.50. And the metal asterisk page marker is exclusive, and that's $4. So you get over an $80 value in this box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to keep it short and sweet. My name is Nina Nandagopal, and you can find me at almostpractical.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today.